Hi, I'm Dr. Phillips. I'm the inventor of the ReBuilder. Many times we've been asked, what's the difference between the ReBuilder and a common TENS device? A common TENS device like this can cost you $40 or $50. It's a toy and it's actually dangerous. It can cause permanent numbness. How does it do that? Because it blocks all nerve signals, not just pain, but all the nerve signals. So the brain gets scrambled information and thereafter it might not work as well. These devices cost $30, $40. You can buy them on Amazon. They're cheap, they're trashy, they just don't work. The ReBuilder also comes with a lifetime warranty. Nothing else does. The ReBuilder acts kind of like a combination EKG machine that reads the nerve signals, and then a pacemaker that's programmed. This actually programs a precise wave signal just for you to compensate for your dysfunctional signal. So the ReBuilder costs more because it does more, and on top of that, it's made entirely in the US.